I know what you're thinking, and you're right. This isn't an average cafeteria. That's because it's a dining hall at Western Residence.
It doesn't matter whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a late night snack. The chefs are ready for you in each of our 7 residence dining halls. We've got pretty busy schedules, and the staff here know that, so they stock up a grab-and-go station for when we're in a time crunch.
It's really easy to get something healthy, and there's plenty of variety. From burritos to curry, sushi, or chicken halal. Whether it's cheat day, or you're looking for something a bit lighter, there's something for everyone.
Are you vegan, gluten-free, or do you have food allergies? No problem. Just let us know.
Lots of items are labeled, and you can even meet with our nutrition manager to make your dietary plan. And the staff, they make it their priority to get to know you and your meal plan. When you're ready to pay, just swipe with your Western One student card. And you can top your meal plan up online at any time. And don't worry, the money doesn't expire at the end of the year.
Or if you're craving something else, you can use that same Western One card and order from off-campus meal plan partners. And there's delivery.
So no matter who you are, what you do, or where you come from, there's something here for everyone.
Looks like Nana's famous recipes have some competition.